What's up, everybody? In this video, I'm going to break down how to stop being a solo detailer, how to expand your business. First of all, I'm going to break down kind of where you are in your business. Everybody I talk to on the phone, at least the vast majority, are solo guys. They're either just starting or, they started recently and they're making, $5,000 or less per month. They're doing friends and family's cars, just kind of figured it out, which is where everybody starts, right? That's where I started, and that's where most of the people that I talk to start. And there's really not that big of a difference between me and you in terms of detailing. You honestly might be a better detailer than I am, but we just do more details, right? And make more money. So our marketing is better, and I've been doing it longer. But there's nothing that I'm doing that you can't do. It's just a pure knowledge thing. You just haven't learned the lessons, haven't been doing it long enough to be in the same system I am yet. But I can help you get there. Most detailers, they want to run a real detailing business, not be a solo detailer anymore, have some employees. For example, like right now, I'm on vacation in Charleston. I'm here visiting my girlfriend, watching golf. The TV's on the ground, but they haven't mounted it yet. They're only here for a couple months, so it's a little temporary setup, but I'm in, their Airbnb setup. I'm about to go hit the beach. You can see I'm in swim trunks. I got nothing to do today. My detailers are out detailing as I speak right now, so I'm still making money while I'm in Charleston. And that's really the magic of this business is once you start hiring and outsource yourself from doing the actual detailing, the business gets so much more enjoyable. I mean, it goes from, you're in the hot sun every day detailing cars, making money, might not be making a ton, definitely not as much as you can when you outsource it to 2 employees that are working, doing double as many details as you can do by yourself. But the real magic is when you start hiring, take yourself out of the business. That's when you really start enjoying it, or at least that's when I started enjoying it. And the first step is just marketing, right? You have to get more customers. And that comes down to Google My Business listings, Google ads, stay away from Facebook ads. But optimizing those 2 traffic sources alone, let alone having good optimizations on your website, SEO wise, but just Google ads and Google business listings alone could propel your business to the next level and can get you to hire that first employee. Then the second step is hiring, which I have a module that's in my training in our community. You can check it out in the description below. I also have a free group in the description below as well. If you want to start, I teach you how to make your first $1,000 with all free marketing. So that group is in the description as well. But we have a hiring module, and that breaks down how to find, train, hire, and manage solid employees, because that becomes the second bottleneck. Once you have enough customers to hire somebody, the struggle is actually hiring good people, right? Because it's just a manual labor job, hourly or commission. We do commission, but the struggle is finding good people, and it's tough. Trust me. So I made a full training about that. It is in the group below in the description. Go check it out. But yeah, I just wanted to make a quick video. I'm on vacation, so I'm putting out a video every Monday, so I needed to get this video filmed. And I thought breaking down, the steps between solo detailing and where I am with a crew of detailers could be valuable to y'all. Mostly, I want to know y'all's questions. If you have questions about what you have to do in specific, like if you have specific questions, drop them in the comments below or join my free group. I'm in there all the time. If you can ask me questions in there. But I think that's it for today. Until the next video, if you have any video ideas, drop those in the comments as well. I'll see y'all in the next one.